Hello guys and welcome to our video. Today we are going to talk about goods and service tax. So the contents of the video are meaning and nature of the tax, characteristics of tax and types of taxes. So the first topic is meaning and nature of the tax. Tax is a compulsory payment to the government by the taxpayer without any expectation to any specified return. If we break this definition down, it means the money that you have to pay to the government so that it can provide public services to you. And now comes the characteristics of tax. So it's a compulsory contribution of wealth. We are contributing our wealth. Second, is spent on public welfare activities. As we discussed, it is spent on public welfare activities. Tax is not a payment for special benefits. Special benefits are not involved. Tax is not the cost of service. It is not a cost of service. It is a personal duty and it is progressive in nature. Now comes types of taxes. So there are two types of taxes, direct tax and indirect tax. So direct tax is the tax in which the person directly bears the incidence of the tax and it is progressive in nature. So it means the direct tax is beared by the person on which the tax is levied, and the indirect tax is the tax in which the person is not directly paying the tax, he is shifting his tax to another person. Okay, it's regressive in nature. Now let's study a definition given by Sir Dalton on direct tax. A direct tax is really paid by the person on whom it is partly or wholly imposed. He means that the direct tax is to be paid by the person on whom it is imposed. Example of direct tax are income tax and taxes on assets. Now comes the definition of indirect tax. According to J.S. Mill, an indirect tax is one demanded from one person in the expectation and intention that he shall identify himself at the expense of another. It means that the tax is imposed on one person, but the uh, payment is to be expected by the expense of another person. Example of indirect tax is sales tax, as the businessman who is doing the business is expected to pay the tax, but the ultimate consumer pays it.